Hi people, today we are going to know why do people snore. Those who have enlarged tonsil and enlarged tongue or excess weight around the neck are more prone to snoring, and structural reasons that the shape of one nose or jaws can also cause snoring. The snoring sound itself is a result of the narrowing of the person's airways, which cause a throat vibration and the snoring sounds. No matter the reason, 40% of the normal adults snore regularly, whether they realize or not. So this is the main cause of why do people snore. I hope you like the video and subscribe and like and share the button.